As suggested by its name, Malware Hunter is designed to search and eliminate potentially dangerous files and components on your computer, keeping it free from viruses and other types of threats. Upon launch, you are greeted by a simple interface with clear, accessible options. Malware Hunter does not monitor your computer in real time, but it does allow you to run quick, full, or custom scans. Therefore, you can use it to analyze certain locations or files you suspect are infected. Depending on your option and the size of the target location, a scan can take more or less time. In full or quick mode, Malware Hunter targets computer areas that can betray the presence of malware, such as the Startup section, the Common Apps or the Systems Registry. Once the scan is complete, it displays a short overview where you can check out the number of resolved issues, scanned and infected files, as well as the scan duration. Compressed files are supported. For your convenience, Malware Hunter is configured to add a new entry in the computer's right-click menu to allow quick file scanning. To reduce the scanning time, it is possible for you to create so-called trust and block lists. As you might imagine, these lists will contain the location of the files you want Malware Hunter to exclude from scanning or automatically block. Malware Hunter aims to provide an easy-to-use yet powerful tool as far as computer security is concerned. It offers fast scanning speed and automatic updating of the virus database, so it can handle the newest threats at all times. Unfortunately, real-time scanning is not available, so it might be better for you not to use it to replace a permanent antivirus solution. See you next video, and now some music.